him. Figure it out, had a good thing going on for him. Maintain it. You know, take care of it. Dyema go above and beyond for you. Whether she want to play man government, man idiot, man ding dong, man back pocket, cocky vampire, whether she want to play all of them something, she was being fair to you. Figure it out. Only for you now to switch side so easily. I thought, but me can't take the beer when she wash, cook and clean for you. When she have your doodle stain in her finger. When me see Jaden came out for Dyema, me say you're a wicked soul. And from this so, me really draw the line against Jaden. When he came out for Dyema for no reason. Only thing he wanted Dyema to do is to expose, figure it out, so that him can laugh in a figure it out face. Jaden and them want you laughing at them face. Then Dyema, let me rest Jaden she little. Then Dyema come here now. Sweet me, you see. Right, you know, Akim supposed to fret if you go talk nothing about him. Sweet me, you see. When you say cartel, you surpass it in a shitty situation. Dyema in a shitty situation. Figure it out not like beat. Figure it out a long time. A true Dyema never want talk. Long time I know you not a whole heap of things I know about you figure it out. Whole heap, but you not bother me. Me not. Phone business not bother me. Yeah, phone something not bother me. Yeah. Phone something not bother me. Them not bother me simply, bliss. And that hurt them. Yeah. Dyema come here. Figure it out. Use the bearding rag. Come here. Nurse, lend me a beading rag and toothbrush. I have to stretch out, figure it out. But Dyema madman, you know, say Dyema madman return you on. Come here, girl. Madman, you coming like me, na Dyema. We love dirty man, so. Dyema, come here. Oh, we love clip and trim. Oh, we like outline dirty man, so. Dyema, what wrong with we? What wrong with we? Dyema, hope you dash for the toothbrush and never scarlet, you know. Because when figure it out attacks the people AIM teeth, me never know if them AIM order to. Me just ask questions and remember me not trouble nobody. Keep the bucket. Low Dyema na bucket. So come in now. Ivan, you know, so figure it out now have no account.
No.
Come on. You can't read that right. You can't read right, wrote, not written. You don't have no account for yourself. Then you know what kind of man, and don't sit down and take gifters, when they come like Rosalie, where take gifters money and buy Obia. Then oh, Akima carry Rosalie, you got river so after. Lord Jesus, the swimming. Then look how Ursula nearly washed her. She not used to shallow water. The sea I call Rosalie. Dyema bust it pan you figure it out. And you know, me no want Dyema talk whole heap yet. Cause me no want she make Jaden feel proud. Jaden want all of these information to use against figure it out. Dyema go easy. You see every bullet him give at you, give him 2. Always make him know say you have extra in your clip. Yeah, no fire all of your shot them, no be shy. Don't be shy. These men must stop. These men on the app need to stop it. You understand what I say? These men on the app, they are culturing female into feed them lifestyle, which is not good. Them need to stop. Somebody need to tell them the truth. Them need to stop it now for sure. It can't go, it not go good. Yeah, them for stop. Them for stop. They are damaging females and think it's funny. They are damaging females and think it's funny, and they are gaining audience and females and think it's funny. It's true. It's not cute. So now you wonder who them love, if them love man or woman. Yeah, Jaden want to have a bust it and figure it out. Jaden is not a good individual to people who him claim to say him and them are brethren. I would stay far from Jaden. You have to take Jaden like me. Where? Me busy. You think a joke? You know say a period that me give him. Me busy. What you say? Oh. One thing, me not like gatekeepers. Yeah, them wanna walk and wanna use on a mother for make content. Wanna have no, wanna say me at this and me at that, and wanna say wanna straight, you know. Jaden me rate, you know. But you see, because I rate him, I have to tell you the truth. I rather sound like a hypocrite in telling you the truth than sound like a hypocrite not telling you the truth. Yeah, you exploit females. You don't have no love for females. You just want the attention off of the app. And this so you there. It's just the truth, Jaden. Whether it sit well with you or not, and you come over on my program about and so like me a your size. Me a your size. Can remember them saying I like beard. Me a your size. Remember them say I change your clothes you do and come on live. Me ain't them size there. So now come on my program and so sit on one side and listen. Yeah, everybody know me not run joke. Me not run joke certain way. When me talk the truth, me not run joke. Now come on my program and go like say X, Y, and Z. Get away from here. As much as I like him, I go put it in your place. You know exactly what you do. You wake up a morning time to exploit people. And for such, me not take you up on my program. If you notice, me click here and say, me busy, bye. When me take you on a holiday for you, it's just the truth. People come up in my inbox and reason with my boy, and me say, leave him alone. We have to identify the time. Jaden have to work overtime because him time run out. The higher the monkey climber, the more him expose. Miss Ramsey, up in No, it's true. It's just the truth. That is why people say me can't tame on the app. I look at Shay from the I say, Shay, you're being too friendly with people. Me see upon everybody live here. It's when your bring down time come, Shay, try no say me I go bring you down. I couldn't tell her because everybody used to cuss me for Shay. The same way them anger me and say you not talk to Jaden. You not people. All they say Jaden a go on there. I bet him can't do because him know where they behind him tail. Jaden know the brand behind him cigarette. Me not ask you. Me not talk no more. Leave it right there so. Jaden know the brand behind him cigarette. All they see me go on so. It's just the truth, and for such, me come on my program and me say Jaden Bill. All the times me I tell him Bill. But no, I'm not here. It's just the truth. These men who are at the forefront, they are of no good. They are not good leaders. So they have no leadership quality. Jaden in a position now for him be positive, and Jaden perpetuate negativity. How do you work out that? How far negativity I go? Let me say this, Jaden feel it because no one has respect for Jaden. Nobody. All Jaden I go like him control the app. Jaden never yet control the app. It's the element around him control the app. The element around Jaden are the real king. Me and queens. May I tell you, because if you not get somebody for exploit, in program not nice. And I said stop. Me say when me say Jaden came out for Dyema, me say you're a wicked soul. And from this so me really draw the line against Jaden. When he came out for Dyema for no reason, only thing he wanted Dyema to do is to expose, figure it out, so that him can laugh in a figure it out face. Jaden and them want you laughing at them face. You say them want you laughing at them face. You not have to push it. You don't have to push it. But now you sit down like a big girl. Like a big girl. I walk and mix. What you think me could have with you now? Me hate the girl them where they with you now. Me hate them. Somebody said Jaden no mean a bad intention. Come here, my baby. If every day me try to correct them and only say a bad intentions me have towards them, a jealousy, a this and a that. Oh, Jaden finna mean bad intention. You hear the choice of words of them use? Eh? You think me I gonna have somebody on my app where me say me and them a friend and only not know certain things or certain things must not be known and me come make it known? Stop it. Una enabler. You will say that you are an enabler. You don't know Jaden, you don't like him, you just go after the mass. You follow the crowd. You genuinely don't like him. You genuinely don't like him. Yeah. When Jaden sitting at top, but oh, him and Rosalie, remember back in the day when Jaden wanted to bus, Rosalie took Jaden on her program and disrespect him a lot to keep her program running because she realized no one likes or respect this individual. You never know. Well, make me remind, you know. Hey, when Jaden begged Perry the Lion, the whole internet crashed him. I came out and disrespect Perry, Quiet Perry, for Jaden because that wasn't nice. But because Quiet Perry was in the elite, always remember that. Because he was in the elite, he dismissed you. Oh my God, you gotta look for that in the morning. Yeah. Now that them don't understand. I never come on yes and tell lie on nobody. I try to tell lie on nobody. Jaden not have no mother and no father and I support Rosalie where disrespect her kids. You understand me? You when Mother's Day and Father's Day come, Jaden, how you feel? I that I want to ask you. When Mother's Day and Father's Day come, how you feel? And you sit down on the app and support somebody who are mine, who no want them, who are disgrace them. Una obey, you know, una witchcraft. You know, so you have some Nephilims on the app. Jaden don't care because Jaden has nothing to lose and nothing to live for. That much you need to know. Jaden will just lay down in the bed and tell lie on anybody. You never know. When see the cycle, Jaden will lie down in bed and tell lie on anybody. And that's the attitude him have. That's why I'm not entertain him. As him come from my program, I tell him about wood sucking and all of them stuff. You not hear me? Him spirit torment for sure. I'm tell him to leave him alone. Him gone down. Jaden walk and watch people pocket on the app. You never know. When I soon hear the whole light. When I soon hear every single thing. You think Rosalie like Jaden? Come here. You think Rosalie like Jaden? You think Jaden like Rosalie? Two of them a fight for podium. They don't like them one another. All you see him and Jabas this upon life. You should have defend Jabas in front of Shay. You should have defend Jabas in front of Shay. No, me no want to do that to my mother. You want to do it to my baby. Hurry up and come. You should have do that. You can't stand up for Jabas. That's why when you tell me, oh, Shay I chat you. Jaden, me never take you on. Because from there, somebody want to say, Jaden, you chat me too. But me never want to give Shay no strength. Me don't say, Jaden, but you chat me. Over and over and on with Shay, you chat me, Jaden. Remember, when I have on a crew, on a syndicate. When I eat on one another. That is why me no play a match. Because me no want in the island vial. Me no want step in on a vial and think of vinegar. And you and Akim come here. Exactly. Exactly. Exactly, my baby. Exactly, sweet something another. Exactly. Them not have no content. Them all them do a company the app and beg to them rub up. Chew them rub up. Island Viola them gift. Yeah. You put snake over Dyema name. Put snake over your name. And put a snake over Ivan name. Cause Ivan make we know say you're not relevant in a life. Cause you not have nothing we can draw your own money. Hmm? Yeah, put a snake over your face. You come from underneath the filter so the people them can see the true you. Dyema say go bathe and brush your teeth so oh you feel cute. And look how you ever look fresh under filter. Eh? Oh my God, you got caught. You got caught. Una some dirty set of boys that look woman. Yeah. Wanna get caught. Dyema say you piss bed. And she wash the sheet and the clothes. Uh-oh. Your little oh supposed to ring. That means say you and your son are pee together. And your little boy supposed to walk up piss up the house. Then oh you get involved with farm chink. Then oh you get involved with farm chink now. And that's your gift. You're a big man. And your hose a leak. And then on the pan, up on the pan, I may I tell you, say, you know, and when you piss up your baby mother, Dyema lucky, how much time you piss up, Dyema? Any oh you did diabetic, Dyema that catch it. Yeah, because you piss without having sugar. So if you piss on her foot, her leg, her chest, her back, trust me, it'll go in her pores. And then you about you have gallus class. And you know a man you live in a bush with? Come here, Tarzan. And you and boy swing from limb to limb. And you say it, you know. People for calling him piece of bed turkey. Leave me alone. Wickedness. And figure it out. Sit down there and not even say, yo. You said, leave them. It's true, them ungrateful. That is why it is easy for Rosalie to come back and cuss her gift as them. Anybody will gift her. Because the reason why them can't do that, because them have one under control. You know, say them eat when I open my mouth. Me not under them spell. When them go them obey man and call me name, them obey man vex with them and run them. No, it's true. Me not under them spell. You notice them can't come over my life with no foolishness. You notice? They don't like when you talk the truth. You understand me? Jaden have a good thing going for him. Figure it out, had a good thing going on for him. Maintain it. You know, take care of it. Good God Almighty, man. Dyema go above and beyond phone. Whether she want to play man government, man idiot, man ding dong, man back pocket, cocky vampire. Whether she want to play all of them something, she was being fair to you. Figure it out. Only for you now to switch side so easily. I thought, but me can't take the beer, you know, when she wash, cook and clean for you. When she have your doodle stain in her fingernail will come from your underwear. Oh it go. I'm sorry she never need flour with the evidence. Am I user for true? They are all users, even to their gifters. Even to their gifters they are users. They are not appreciative of anything. That is why they behave like this. Because you're supposed to keep them relevant. They only like you when you can give them something or them can get a chance to use you because something not going for you. And it's just the truth. It's just the truth. Or don't like it, it's just the truth. I will forever tell them the truth. Tell them, leave you alone, your time will come. It reach, it's here. And you know why you behave like this and people not understand the spiritual aspect behind it? It's because you know within your soul that you're gone right down. You're not the person who you used to be. You're not at the position and the app where you used to be. So may I motivate you to try harder. Of course. The gifters them suffer. The reason why them sit down and them alone play a match without gift. What is it for? Come on my side. Come on my side. Don't make them take that one here. Come on my side. Lord Jesus, them a go with that one here. My side, not do me that. Not do me that. Yeah, anything at all. Anything. I never see this yet. Him used to say he's the king. I never see Jaden as the king of the app. Never ever. Never ever. With the substance there. With the substance there. That's why it's easy for them come down and can't come back up. They got no substance. You know, see, Rosalie, She know a party a come and she get a big flap. Here what she do, she go in a private and come out pan jakes in a public. Exactly. Somebody say, oh, can a king be so negative? It's true, Jaden ain't no king. Where is the throne? Jaden ain't no king. And you're busy. You don't have no mother, no father, no support Rosalie. We are ignorant for your mother and father. Eh? We are ignorant for your mother and father. You understand me? Who is our mother and father? Shantan Barbar. Me not have to send no money. Go no like oh and like oh. But yet still a man and mine girl out of your pocket. And what do you kiddo? You know, Rosalie, let me tell you something. You see, nothing where you ever do is powerful. It's just the people them who you have under your control already. And they are not praying folks. Because anybody who under God's hand would have know say you're not good. Akim carry go river. Let me say this to you. Akim I come from a time in a Bati village where all of the Bati man them obey them one another. That is why Akim could have pick out a obey man for carry you. You know say from your party I come, you know stop go a river. You know see how much time Nessa carry go a court. You know stop go a river. You and dirty Rosalie. And I'm glad you picking them around you because me no want drop off a head, drop on shoulder. Me no want them be obey a epaulet. You never know. People not sit down on the app and see them something, you know. You think I could support on the dirty hand people? You Nicoline is not lie. If you don't watch Rosalie and Akim, Akim is a demon walking around. Them know them obey man. Oh. Wanna think I lie me I tell? Wanna think I lie me I tell you now?
Never let go.
Boga river and river and river. Them too bold with them witchcraft. Them too bold. Me tell you this. Say if you read on the Bible and understand, God have a time when they make the city do what they do and then you take control. Like Jaden, Akim, Rosalie, the whole of Unoffer and Dirty. On the days are come. Fast, fast, fast. Can remember God shortened the days for the elect's sake. When the days are come, it reach, you know. It reach. You think my speech sit well with them? Inna them inside disturb. Me not ask, you know. Them go and call everybody name to obey a man. You never know. A pure sacrifice are going. Pure sacrifice. Them not give up on it. That's why I say all GX attack him not attack. GX come out, come talk one who Rosalie put them name on parchment paper. Come out, come bust it up. And that if I bust up, stop all on things through you want stipend. Rosalie is not our trust. My name try obey me. Come here. My name try obey oh. Why you think them hate when I talk? Remember me come tell Uno, said them call my name to obey man. Them never tell Uno, and me come tell Uno. Remember me, and I'm not to the people. You never know that. Enough time they pan live and hear them. I'm a set so sometime. Enough time. And me come tell on you know. And a them come bust it up and me fuss. You never know that. Why you think me can't sit down here stand afraid for bust it up on them and me get all of the obey work of them and say when them go Obeah and Obeah say who me, Obeah turn them back. You never know. Them a wonder who me. Enough of them would want to ask me who is my Obeah man. God Almighty. You never know though. Alright. Wanna learn now. Yeah. That is why me. You notice when I open my mouth, it hurt them. Who else on the app can hurt them? All when them go on like me not hurt them, me not hurt them. Don't sister Winnie. Who else on the app can do them so?
Have your way.
I true me no want to talk certain things, you know.
We cry out, you can.
I true me no want to talk certain things. I true me no want them belly grow up. I mean I want to take them down, you know. But I don't want to take them down. I want to watch them fall. You never know.
Have your way.
So you never know.
Glory. Father, I honor your name and I glorify you.
It's alright, me leave you alone. Yeah. Now ask you. Me can't make them life bitter, you know. Me can't make them life bitter. Certain things me not mail, you know. Cause me can't make them life bitter. Leave them. Gotta work on them. Me, your mother. Your mother. Remember me a God's favorite, you know. Me a one of God's favorite. So when them a come, them have to come good. Them can't come at all. Yeah. I don't even go down in a sackcloth and ashes for them. Cause when them things say they feed them witchcraft bad. Please. Remember when I use spirit without farm, you know. And that one of you know. Yeah, so them can't come about me people. They are set of wicked, dirty people. When I sat and hear Rosalie talk about Jakes like that, me call Macy, me call Zandrama, me call everybody to make them sissy. You see, one of them accuse me of, wrong. See Rosalie there, come and bust it. If the mother can talk about the so-called father like that, when she leave outer road for though, what she's putting in outer road's intention. When she want outer road for think. I tell her this too. It's not fair. You don't know for talk fair. No, Lady Mac is true. Lady Mac is true. They don't know how to talk the truth. It's true. Me go talk the truth. Me say the little girl behave particular when the reason why she can't behave so are because these are the speech her mother used to the father in front of the daughter. So the daughter deemed the father as anybody else out the road. So you notice how Shanta argue with Jakes. If that was his daughter, she couldn't be speaking to him like that. Me now ask you, Anna Prime, she prime. A brave, she brave. Oh. Yeah, Rosalie come back and say, every time you have video the little girl, her body you show, why you think she says so? Or if you live with a man and not watch him against your child and you still keep him? Eh? How? Una big and careless. And them suck me on the support. Yeah, and them suck me on the support. Yeah, and them suck me on the support. But when me talk, my bad mind, me envious, me not like woman. And all of them boy up on the app where exploit them woman. Yeah, them love woman though. All of them where exploit the females in the app. Don't them love woman.
So you can move in?
You know to say, them not none of every boy upon the app here. Most of the crankers them upon the app here will have woman and say them woman. You notice that them respect man over them woman. Wanna notice that? Them respect them brethren them over them woman. So what I say? What I say? Cause enough things you know wanna say. Jamaican bad boy want
My God, my God, my God.
me know say she can be jealous too. Mothers can be jealous of how the man take care of the daughter. Females because they know the intention. I say you to take care of me, you know?
Come down. Come down.
Yeah. That's why she feel brave now to come out and talk. Yeah. It's a pattern and she knows, and that's what she bought. Because if Batia called her Akeem name and she still a buy Akeem, what does that say? Rosaline have no argument for bring down Jakes.
It's turning around for me.
You never know. If Jakes has a pattern, as Rosalie stated, and you're still a mining, you are the enabler to all of these things. You never know. That is why me come up and tell you and says, Rosalie, give up her picnic them. She never want them up to today. What Rosalie do, sell her picnic them for make money on the app. Uno not smart, you know? Everything is a content. Rosalie don't want her kids. Why you think it's easy for her to ignore them? And even in a them depraved stage, she have threatened them with her purse. One thing, so tell me the truth. They don't think so Rosalie deserves support now, and she's not supporting her kids. Gotta go charge no for uno.
Turning around for me.
Gotta go charge no for uno. A lot of uno gotta go charge. Hold on there.
Around for me.
Hold on there, people.
Around for me. It's turning around.
No man, hold on there again. Gotta go charge no for uno by just supporting. Me tell you this, you know. No for uno go sick, you know. Broke, you know. Homeless and naked, you know. Watch. Just because you don't support these things.
And know he's working it out.
It's true.
Turning around.
Now ask you know. Wicked, the height of wickedness. Me say, Jabas, World Dog, Jaden, wanna sit down on live and support this lady. We abandon her children and take up a worthless boy to eat her out like cancer. And wanna support it. You know why wanna support it? Because you know want him just nyam her out and she's no more for to get here. So you see the mindset? You see the wickedness of Uno? Uno go get charged. Exactly. Be careful where you sow your money. Be careful where you sow your money. Exactly. Every dollar eat out every dollar we should have. And them don't know this. The whole of them on the app are witchcraft worker. The whole of them, so they mash up Brit. That is why I tell you this. Me not take people on my program and not say, she be a this or a that. When me take people on my program and holiday, me take people on my program when the devil distracted, because them are Obia worker. You say Jaden, may I tell you something about Jaden? I want to listen to me. I'm going to tell you this about Jaden. Jaden have a spiritual walk with you. See, once him come for your program, him try to steal your shine because that's how him go for. Yeah, that's why it get him antsy. If somebody program a bloom, him have to itch up over there. Where you learn that? World Dog know the same thing, Swissley know the same thing, Rosalie know the same thing. All of them, when them see somebody come up with them though, go over there. Don't World Dog go over Brittany go mash her up. Brittany can't recover. She end up in a Ward 21. You never know. But we don't see it because, sure, them something that foolishness should be a chat. Me not believe in them something there. Make yourself available. You know what Jaden's fear is? Me I tell you what Jaden's fear is. Jaden's fear is about going back where I come from. Want me tell you what I mean by that? Nobody rate him, nobody respect him, and no one likes him. You never know. Me not age long time, I don't age, you know. Yeah. You never know. That's Jaden's fear. In fear of the fear of Jaden is that nobody knows him no more, like him anymore. Me now ask you, fear unlock, Lati. Fear unlock. When Jaden do him live, if you never go over there and type fear, 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 him know it hurt him. Me I tell you no. That's his fear. That's why I try bring down people before him go down. You never know. That's Jaden's fear. Auntie Daphne there. What go on, my baby? You never know. That is Jaden's fear. Him no realize Sharon Bless. Alright. You see, because him feels that this boss him. And this him have a hang on pan. You never know. Auntie Daphne never realize say they ain't good. If you only want no, Camilla, it's true, I'm telling you. If you ever go over there and type fear, 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 when Jaden turn on him live, it touch him. That he has to say something to me now. Yeah, it touch him. It touch him real bad. He's trying hard to cancel Dyema, don't, because Jaden knows him cancel. Jaden is cancelled. Jaden is cancelled. Him eat the fact that Rosalie a come back. Me not ask you upon the FYP. Him eat it. Them eat them one another. Them eat them one, and this is just the truth. This is no bad talk. You see, just like how she quickly try to bring him down, she only can do what Jaden do. But she not have the pulling power. Jaden does. Yeah, that's why I bring her down. You never know. It's a better me bring you down. Them friend people who was once their enemy. How you work out that? Me never a friend my enemy for bring down nobody. My enemy go bring down who them a bring down. Me stay over here so argue with who me want argue with. You know say? As Jaden come for your program heavy. He has nothing to contribute. True or false? That's why I say me busy. Busy. As him done me lock off my life. But cut the spell. As him come off of my program, I lock off my life. That is foolishness. That is why me no look upon them, my baby. Because them a dog, damn dog. And them not like when you talk the truth. And the other day when I came out and talk about Slutty, and when them say, I saw World Dog, Jabas, and Jaden on the live disrespecting Slutty for this individual only because at him and Rosalie party. Why you screen record? Why you screen record the man? Eh? Why you record the man? Why you record the man? The same way she record you at tear down Jabas. The same way. Dyema say you dip on the phone and chat people, Jaden. Are you that? You can't keep your mouth, nobody no figure a secret. It's you and it's true. Dyema said me come hear the argument when she and me got dinner. Make me talk my piece now. When me and them got dinner, me hear them attack one who did dip on phone attack. Me never business, me walk away. Make me talk my piece. Yes, Jaden, you were on the phone call. Dyema wasn't lying. That is why I came out and I said to you, leave Dyema alone. You were on the call too because Dyema and Shame out never miss. when them attack, Dyema and Shame Out never miss. The two of them have the same argument with that involves you. I never say anything. I say leave Dyema alone because as Shay you talk about Shay. I say talk about Shay.
Let's see.
You were on the phone call, so when me hear you tell Dyema, well, Dyema, I lie you tell. I knew Dyema was talking the truth. I knew. A whole heap of things there where you say out of your mouth, Jaden, but me no business with a careless argument or no go on with it. Yeah, me no business that a phone battle, una fight that una self. Me no business with it. I went on a dinner date, and it's a dinner date me go on. I went on a dinner date, you know. That is why I say I wasn't cussing Shay for you. I was cussing Shay for me. She rude for send Queenie to me. Sister, not lie me I tell. Me now ask you, they have the same thing to talk about. Hush. They are the same thing talking about. Yeah? I'm sitting there so. Me just walk away.